IPB will be the interface for them to ensure की जे धंदेवाल्यांक जाय तांकां 10 कडेन न धांवता IPB will be the face to ensure that whatever approvals are required, what they apply are followed up. आणि जशे जशे एप्लिकेशनां येतात this particular whole system is so dynamic की जशे तुझे requirements वाडटले जशी गरजो वाडटल्यो त्या प्रमाणे आमी चेंज करतले to ensure that a very business friendly environment is there.
In front of IPB currently there are about 10 or 11 applications pending. Chemicals, there's also some service departments. Service departments. And there's also a food processing business. So all industries are represented in.
What is the total investment and job?
For the ones the proposal spending?
Yeah.
Proposal spending will be roughly about 400 to 500 crores.
Total employment generation?
It should be in the region of about 1,000-1,200. So I think in totality over the last 4 years we have collected about 1 crore or 1 crore 10 lakhs in fees totally.
And how much paid on consultant?
How much is paid on consultant? We got the consultant 1 year ago, so we would have paid roughly around 85-90 lakhs on.
इतले मजगती चिमला IT पार्काच्या सुवातीर उजो लागपाच्या घडणुकेची चौकशी करूंक पुलिसांक सांगला म्हूण मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन मिडियाक सांगले. आजनेरीची शक्यताय मतीन धरून थंय दीस रात पुलीस दवरचे म्हूण IT मंत्री मागता.
Very categorically this thing will be investigated. I have informed CM also, and very soon I'm looking at appointing a full-time person from the police side in charge of these particular areas who will continuously look at monitoring this type of issues. So at one point we will know what is happening, at one point we will know what is going wrong, and ते कसले गजाल्यो जाल्यार ताका म्हाका दिसता सारके we will see ensure that proper action is taken.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी शिरीष कुगळेकार.